Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with Bitcoin USD pair and the recent events during the markets. Greg?
Bitcoin has lost 1.9% in the last 3 sessions. The MACD turned positive. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.3% in the last 3 sessions. The highs-lows indicator has warmed up and is currently neutral. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 2% in the last 2 sessions. The stochastic RSI transitioned sharply into negative territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has fallen 0.6% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has lost steam and is currently negative.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Britain's competition regulator fined Amazon £55,000 after it delayed an investigation into its purchase of a 16% stake in food platform Deliveroo by failing to provide documents on time. The EU and the UK remain far apart on their post-Brexit relationship, and as the UK begins to prepare for no deal, the sterling is looking weak. The Reserve Bank of India has allowed traders dealing with crypto stable coins to convert them into the local currency.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Eurozone's ECB interest rate decision will be released at 9:45 GMT, the UK NIESR GDP estimate at 10:00 GMT, the US PPI at 10:30 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 10:30 GMT, the U.S. wholesale inventories at 1200 GMT, and the U.S. natural gas storage at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.